In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this chocolate effect with AI. So to do that, we're going to use a platform NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And here you need to create an account. This is a platform that you can try for just $1. So you could follow this tutorial paying only $1. So well, after you create the account, you will arrive here. And here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we're going to use the model Omni Flash. In the length, I'm going to use 10 seconds because the length of my reference video is 10 seconds long. But here you can choose the length you want. So now here we have to click and upload our video. In my case, I created another AI video that we will use as a reference, but you could use any video. Could be a video of yourself, an animation video, another AI video, could be anything. What we're going to do is to change the style. So let's see a little bit the video.
This protein completely changed my routine.
Well, and there we have it. Now let's click here, and here we're going to use this prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, and you can just copy paste this prompt, or you can do any modify you want. So now I'm going to click here, and now we have to click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
This protein completely changed my routine. Amazing taste, real results, and you notice it super fast. Link in my profile, go grab it.
Well, and there we have it. I really like it, the video. Looks really good. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that you can try this platform for just $1 and that the prompt is going to be in the comment section. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.